Hey, I'm Sour and I make videos with hardstyle production while pretending this doesn't hurt my actual hardstyle production. And today I noticed you guys really like my challenge videos where I give myself a certain amount of time, and I have a ton of original video ideas, but I am a bit of a sellout. So here's a challenge video. Today I'm gonna make a hardstyle drop in a mere 15 minutes, and while that sounds impossible, I have given myself a template. This template you can get right fucking now with the links in the description. There are a couple of places where you can get it, Gumroad, Patreon, we'll figure it out. It's in the description. Just in this case, I think I'm gonna go for Euphoric because I've been doing Raw way too fucking much lately. And I want to spice it up a little bit. So the template is pretty small because I don't really want to impose a lot of like restrictions or guidelines, right? It is all pre-mixed. Of course, like depending on what you do, you need to tweak something of your own, but it's definitely a lot easier to get something started with this than without. So if this is something you are interested in, check it out. The link is where you expect it to be. Okay, so I'm gonna actually add one more thing real quick. It's just one FL keys because melody writing is much easier with the piano than with any fancy synth. Actually, no, let's remove that and let's start a timer. Like that might be an important factor for the whole 15 minutes thing. God fucking damn. Okay. So here's a timer. I'm gonna press play, but mostly for myself in edit so I know where to add the thing. 3, 2, 1. Ah, how fun. The stress. So I'm gonna add a piano because it's much easier to write with a piano. Yeah, that's a piano, sure. Let's pump the volume a bit. Cool. Okay, I have no clue what to do with this. Let's start with a melody. That might be a great place to start. Yeah, what are we gonna do? I think some basic chords could be fun. Yeah. Can we make it a bit more funky? Yeah, I like funky times. I'm gonna enable the metronome. Holy shit, words are hard today. I'm gonna enable the metronome. Yeah, let's just give some chords to this whole thing. If you don't know how to make chords, check my fucking video on it. It's pretty recent and I go in depth into how to make chords and why people fail with it. Check it out, it's important. So, you may have noticed, if you know anything about music theory, that this is horribly off-key. I like it. I'm gonna keep it. Oh my god, are these the chords of Epoch from Alpha K? Yeah, fuck it is. Whoops. Okay, let's not make that melody, but I'm still gonna keep the chords, fuck it. Okay, I need to transpose it a bit because I really have the same song in my head now, which is not helpful at all. And also there's a timer going on, damn it, I forgot. Oh, this is nasty, I like this. I often like to start there, because like I have a bit of a walk into the melody, right? So like I don't start without anything. Da, 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 da. Da, da. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. So, I sing a lot with this because it helps me like find the right notes, right? If you struggle with finding the notes you had in your head, sing it because it's a lot easier to actually find your notes. Because like, you can hold it. Like even if you hear a wrong note, a lot easier. Da, 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 da. And also, like, if you just practice a lot, this goes much faster. Da, 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 da. A big interval like this often adds so much more emphasis, right? A lot of melodies are really boring, like, but if you make something like a big interval there, it really stands out. So if you start with like boring melodies, just add some high intervals somewhere and it will be so much more interesting. Yeah, I think this works. Okay, let's make it a bit shorter so it actually works for this. And then let's start to layer it. And here the template actually comes into play. I'm going to disable the reverb and delay for a second because it's just easier to hear what we're doing. And also, like, I like the surprise a bit. Like, I like to be jump scared by my own songs. Maybe that's why it sucks. Paste the chords into the into the pad thing. Let's set the bass into the bass thing. Oh, that's loud. That's loud. Let's check the bass line first, by the way, because this doesn't look like it works with hardstyle. Because I just dislike E kicks. Let's see. 3 up. Is that better? No. 2 up. Yeah, 2 up can work. So let's do everything with 1, 2, 1, 2. Now let's find the right height. Yeah, that works. This is gonna be sick. Okay, let's do the chord layers and then we're almost ready for kicks. How much time do we have left? Like, oh, 5 minutes. That's tricky. Let's speedrun these and let's remove the piano because it's really distracting me. Cool, and let's just follow the bass line and then the chords. Like, it's the fastest way to do this. Just select everything that goes to the same note, right? It's just whoop. Then it's just a matter of connecting everything you forgot. No note left behind. Okay, this one should be minor, this should be minor, and then everything else should be fine. Oh, except for these, because these are major, because I did like the weird off-key thing. I like to double the bass because it just sounds more warm. I may have made this off-key. Like backup chord lead. Then it's just for the high end. I like shorter notes as well, like it makes it really punchy. But this might be a bit too high. Yeah, this is gonna be sick. Let's put the bass and maybe the pad as well into the different pattern, like the named bass, right? So let's enable the reverb and delay. I even included a kick. Like I'm that nice today. So let's find it. There it is. Like in the sample thing, you can find one of them named punch, one of them is sign set trigger. You can ignore these two, and everything else is just every single note of the kick. So let's see. We started with an F sharp, C sharp, D. So F sharp, C sharp, D, right? Yeah. Then A sharp, sorry, like a normal A, and then again back to D. And then I think we go back to the which note? C sharp. Oh, this might be really high. Hell yeah. Okay, so layering and like mixing in general is mostly just your input, right? Like this lower lead sounds really nice on its own, right? But that's also where the kick lives, so let's make it an octave higher. And this ear piercing thing is just better. Hell yeah, let's add some kick rolls and then let's also lengthen this a bit, like that should help, I think. Sure, why not? Let's reverse the kicks, sure. And that's time. Honestly, it's so much easier with a template. Like, I've never liked using templates, but like the concept of it, right? But honestly, this does work. Like, damn it. So before I show you the end result, I should state again, like, if you want to use this template, I'll leave a link in the description where you can get it. Also, let me know, because I'm more than happy to include my attempt in that template, so you have like something as a reference in there. Because like it comes empty, but yeah, why not, right? I could just leave this melody in there, so you have a bit of a reference in there, which could be nice, right? I don't know. Damn it. I'm hyped about it. I'm honestly super hyped about this, because full disclosure, this is my second recording. The first time I just merged the audio of my speech with the PC audio, so in the edit it was totally unworkable, right? This is so much better than the first attempt. Let me know if you want more templates like this, maybe like in different styles, because this is like definitely very euphoric. But I could definitely do something different, like maybe a raw style template, maybe. Let me know, like we can definitely play with this concept more if you think this will help you. And real quick, just a small shout out to my Discord. If you aren't in that server already, just get in there. I just want to shout out, because quickly express like how unbelievably thankful I am for the incredible community we have on there. It's honestly, I can't believe it. Like, I'm honestly so hyped about that. So without further ado, I think it's time to listen to the end result, right? Yeah. I'm Sour, and I make videos about hardstyle production while pretending this doesn't hear my... howdy. I'm Sour, and I make videos about hardstyle production while pretending this doesn't hear my actual hardstyle production, and there is something in my fucking eye. Hello. Nah. Hey, I'm Hardstyle, and I make videos about Sour Productions, and today,